Have you ever wondered how salespeople go from chill coworkers to closing deal machines overnight? Suddenly, everyone's exceeding quotas and raking in the rewards. Is it magic? Superhuman persuasion tactics? Nope, it's probably spiffs. What in the world is a spiff? That, my friends, is what we're here to crack open today. Spiff, though it sounds like a cartoon dog, stands for Sales Performance Incentive Fund Formula. Kind of a mouthful, so spiff stuck. It's basically a secret weapon in a salesperson's arsenal, a special type of incentive program designed to light a fire under their sales game. So, how does this spiff thing work? Imagine this, you're a salesperson selling, let's say, top-of-the-line gaming laptops. They're fantastic machines, but maybe a little pricier than your average laptop. Your sales manager comes to you with a proposition. Hey, your name, they say, we need to push these new laptops this month. If you can sell 5 of them, I'll give you a bonus $100 per machine on top of your commission. That's a spiff in action. It creates a targeted incentive to get you to focus on selling a specific product, reaching a certain quota, or achieving a particular goal. These rewards can be all sorts of things, not just cash. Gift cards, fancy dinners, even a weekend getaway, anything that motivates you to go the extra mile. But why do companies use spiffs? There are a few reasons. Sometimes, a company might have a product they need to move fast, maybe a new release or something nearing the end of its life cycle. A spiff can create a surge in sales and clear out that inventory. Other times, they might want to push a specific service or feature. Spiffs can also be a great way to get new salespeople up to speed by incentivizing them to learn a specific product line. Are spiffs a magic bullet for sales success? Not exactly. While they can be a powerful tool, spiffs need to be used strategically. Here's why. Focus fatigue. If spiffs are constantly bombarding salespeople with new targets and rewards, it can be overwhelming and lead to burnout. Uneven playing field. Spiffs that favor certain products or sales channels can create an unfair advantage for some salespeople over others. Short-term gains, long-term pain. Spiffs are excellent for short-term goals, but they might not be the best way to build long-term customer relationships. So, how can companies use spiffs effectively? Here are some tips. Keep it targeted. Only use spiffs for specific, well-defined goals. Balance is key. Create a balanced compensation plan that incorporates spiffs alongside commissions and base salaries. Transparency is king. Clearly communicate the goals, rewards, and time frame of any spiff program. Ultimately, spiffs can be a valuable tool to motivate your sales team and achieve specific sales goals. When used strategically, they can be a win-win for both companies and salespeople. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.